What's up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a little haul. So as the title says, gonna do a 5-speed swap on my 240SX. I thought maybe doing a little car parts haul because I got most of my stuff here, and maybe I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. Hopefully I can show you guys what I bought and how much it cost, and maybe talk about the total cost to do a 5-speed swap without having to do it yourself, to have friends help you, and just your car, your parts, and labor. And I'm making this video because someone like me who doesn't have a garage or a friend that can help me with, or sometimes you just don't have the knowledge and tools that you can do. So yeah, this will be kind of like the part 1 of my 5-speed swap journey, and yeah, let's get right in. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna go from like the smaller stuff. I kind of forgot what I bought. Let me check. I think this is small, so I think this is some of my bolts. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. I don't know where it came from. So just gonna... oh, it's kind of big actually. Ooh, yes. Ta-da! This is a flywheel bolts and clutch cover pressure plate bolts. So they're both 4KA24DE. This one is a M12 x 1.25. It was retailed at $51.83. It was free shipping to Honolulu. I was recommended when I was doing the swap. I was told to get bolts brand new just because the place I'm getting it done at told me to get brand new, even though I'm not going to be keeping my KA for a long time down the road, but at least I don't want it to break or anything like that, so I bought it brand new. And it would be nice, because if you're getting it done at someone's shop and they're working on your car, like as somebody who is a mechanic, probably would want to work on a car that has everything right and everything solid and brand new, so that way it makes them feel better. It's better for you because it's not gonna break, and no surprises and stuff like that. So yeah, this would be a really good way to getting a brand new stuff is a really good way for you and for the shop owners. And what's better than in brand new stuff, right? So alright, so next up is this. So this is a clutch cover pressure plate bolts. This one was retailed at $21.06. This was also, I believe it was free shipping. And yeah, so I got it both from this brand. This brand was, I believe it was the most cheapest. I could have bought probably the OEM ones, but I wanted to be cost efficient, and I think these are just do fine. And I bought these from eBay. So these are the first item of this haul. What is this? I believe this is I'm gonna guess it right now. It's I think it's a stainless steel braided clutch line for 240SX. Brand, it was from 2PM Phase 2. So yeah, Phase 2 is a very famous, I think. So this was retailed at $21.50. Comes in like this in the package. yeah, it's cool. It looks solid. So the reason why I chose the shorter clutch line is because they told me that I could get the shorter lines or the longer lines, but they told me that I should get braided lines. So that was the recommendation. So I got these. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It looks nice, nicely threaded, and looks very tough. Really happy with this. Next up is from Amazon. Okay, so I have no clue what this is. I've ordered like a bunch of stuff. Ooh. Oh, okay, alright, so you guys know what this is, right? Already? This is from EXEDY Clutch Master. So this is a Clutch Master, brand new from EXEDY. So this was retailed at $25.41, and it was also free shipping with Amazon Prime. So yeah, I actually had a Master, but it was a stock one and it was kind of worn out. So I was also recommended to get a brand new one. And next is this is slave cylinder. There you go. So this is a slave cylinder from EXEDY as well, and it was retailed at $14.15. I think you can get it at O'Reilly's for around the same price. I don't know. I have to check with them. But you know, EXEDY is a good brand and it's a trusted brand. So yeah, I got these from Amazon. Yeah, excited. And last but not least, take a good guess. This is like maybe good 50 pounds, maybe. Yeah. Anyway, so this is, I know what this is. This is the real deal. You guys probably know this already, right? Alright. So this is the EXEDY clutch, and I actually got all in the same set. Let's see. So this clutch kit comes with brand new EFT-OE flywheel, brand new EXEDY pressure plate, brand new EXEDY full face organic clutch disc, brand new release bearing, brand new pilot bushing, brand new alignment tool, and it comes with a, of course, installation guide. So this was all together from EXEDY, from Amazon, priced at $239, and it was free shipping. So yeah, this all came in as a set, so I didn't have to buy separate bearings and stuff like that. So it's all in the same box. I'm going to open it up a little bit because I want to make sure I have everything here. Whoa, I don't even know what I'm looking at. What is this? Is it pressure plate? Sorry guys, I never bought clutch in my life, so I don't really know. Written in Japanese and English. Alright, so this was everything that I bought from online, and it costed about $500. I went for a really affordable route because I don't really know how to drift or anything like that. I am planning to learn near future, but for now I'm not going to be drifting or anything like that. So I just wanted to drive manual, and I got everything basically in OEM specs. So it's not like stage 2 or whatever, but it's an OE replacement. So this is probably the very cheapest way to do a manual swap. I actually purchased separate transmission, drive shaft, and clutch pedal. So basically those are the 3 things you need besides these. So I already have those on deck, already have it at the shop, and all total I think I'm doing this plus the labor for little less than $1,000. So yeah, I think it's pretty affordable. Some people might say differently, but for somebody who doesn't have a garage, doesn't have tools, or have friends, and doesn't have any resources to pull this off, it'll be really good because first of all, you're getting it done correctly and you'll have no problems that you're going to face. By doing it correctly, you're going to able to avoid a lot of trouble that's going to happen in the future. So yeah, I really recommend it. Definitely next video of my 5-speed swap video is actually gonna be going to the shop and getting it done. So hopefully I can able to film all that and show you guys how it gets done. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and these are all my social medias. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.